Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is Shakur with Better Connect. I wanted to jump on today and give a nice high-level overview of what I've created for referral partners. In the past, a lot of our partners submitted referrals through our landing pages that get text notifications on status updates, whether we've helped your client, whether we weren't able to help the client, whether you had a scheduled call with the client. And that became a little bit harder to track as, of course, we grew as well as more referrals of yours came in. So what I've decided to create was a referral web app that allows you all to submit your referrals, share different message templates with links that allows clients to sign up on their own. You can track commissions, you have access to marketing material, different contests, reports, things of that nature. Essentially, a hub for you for all of your referral needs. So today I'd like to dive in and walk through the referral app. I know I've created something similar in the past, but things have changed. Okay. Now, when you log in, the first thing you're going to notice is you are going to land in your dashboard. You'll have the statistics here. You can see the amount of connections you've had this month. We have a handful of share page options. We have one that's going to be the Dales page itself. This button allows you to just open that up in a subsequent page. You can copy your own personal Better Connect referral page, preview the Better Connect referral page, share an email, share a text message with, again, your share pages. So these are a few different share methods. If I decided to share an email or share a text, you'll have a pre-populated template that you see here. Hi, I wanted to share a helpful resource with you. Better Connect AI is a free concierge service that helps you find and set up the best internet service for your home. Check it out here. And again, this is your own personal referral link. So when someone does complete that, it will land right back here in your dashboard. The alternative from the share pages we have are the submit referral option. With the submit referral option, that's going to allow you, of course, to submit a referral as or a client as a referral. Basic information that we'll need here, first and last name. The phone number is optional, but strongly recommended. Email, property address, and of course, this is going to be pre-populated for you once you start punching it in. Expected move-in date and time. Doesn't need to be 100% accurate, but maybe the least start date or at least when the person is expecting to move in. If I scroll a little further down, I can also excuse me, the referrals here. This is a test account, of course. Um, I can also refer a colleague. We do pay commission for colleagues. If you know anybody that would be interested in the service, whether they work with commercial or residential clients, would be more than happy to work with them and of course talk to them about the opportunity. Bulk upload referral options. So there are partners that have a lot of referrals that they're looking to submit. Instead of submitting them one by one, you do have an option to create your own CSV file with these data fields. You can also download a pre-made file for you that you can punch your information in. And again, here's a chance for you to just drag in your file. You do want to make sure it's at least 10 and above. That's what is accepted. And again, once they are uploaded, they'll be added right back into our or your dashboard. Upon submitting a referral, there is outreach that we send automatically, an email, a text message. So outreach does happen upon referral, or I should say upon referring a client. You also have your own personal, essentially deals page that we have. It's a nice tool. It allows you to punch in a zip code. You can check the providers that are available, and this isn't for you, this is for your client. So you'd be able to share this with a client. They can choose the services they're interested in. It's going to show the different providers and the different options available. Okay, and as a client, I just selected. I added that I'm interested in mobile. I can add on my mobile lines. I'm seeing exactly what things are going to cost me. I'm adding my equipment details, whether I'm owning or renting the modem and router from the provider. installation options, whether I'm picking it up in store, shipping it out, or professional installation, as well as, again, choosing the installation, or I should say the move-in date. Um, Once I get past there as a client, I can fill out my personal details here. If I am looking to schedule a call, I can do so. Or if I'm looking for a call right away, I can do so. Okay. Um, let's go back. Another cool tool. So I hit the view page. I can send this via email, send this via text, and again, it will pre-populate a message. Another really cool tool here is just the market intelligence. So you'll get to just punch in a zip code and it gives you the ability to see what providers are available in that area. Let's say you're working with a client and you are just curious, hey, or they're curious, hey, what options do I have available? If I just punch in a zip code 02135 and then just hit search, it's going to give me the options that are available in that area. Okay, we have Xfinity and Astound. And I can mention to my client, hey, Xfinity Astound is available in that zip code. Okay. On the dashboard, just to continue, here's where I can see active referrals, any connections that may have happened this month, estimated payout. Um, and if I click the estimated payout, it brings me right to track commissions. I didn't want to do that though. And then here on the bottom, we have the earnings hub. So the earnings hub, of course, is the area where you'll be able to track commissions, see what has been paid out, if there's been any chargebacks, things of that nature. Of course, clients do need to keep service for a period of time, typically 90 to 120 days, just depends on the provider. If they do cancel services within that time frame, there will be a chargeback. So the same amount paid will be held on a subsequent order. Okay. So now leaving the dashboard, we do have the message templates. We would always get questioned, well, hey, what can I send to my client? Or can you send me something that I can forward to my client? This is a great section where you have some pre-created or pre-created emails or text messages. So you can choose the channel, email or SMS messages to send to clients. This is for all services. If I was looking for internet only or TV, mobile, home security only, again, there's alternative options available to me in terms of things that I can share. And again, if I just hit compose SMS, it's going to send from our phone number. If you're a agent in the Carolinas, you'd choose the 704 number versus if you're up in New England, punch your client's telephone number in here. You can customize the message slightly if you'd like, or you can just hit send SMS. And again, if the client sets up services or even, just connects with us through there, it will land right back into your area to track commissions. Okay. So now this is the referral pipeline. This is, I should say, where you're able to track commissions. Um, you'll have total earned, you'll have pending, you'll have what's been paid out. You can click that and see what has technically been paid out. Chargebacks as well. You can click and see who has been charged back. Any canceled orders. If I scroll a little further down here, here's your pipeline where you can see we have in progress, we have active, we have closed. So in progress, new referrals that may have came in, outreach attempted, no response, active, scheduled, order submitted, installed, closed, paid, canceled, charged back, lost. So as clients move within our CRM system, they will be updated accordingly here for you. One cool thing is if I hit new, I can literally see all of the different people. So who I've been paid out on. Again, any tests, or I just shouldn't say tests, but any chargebacks, things of that nature. I can also send a quick email or a text message to the client from here. Um, I can also click and open up the status and kind of just see where they are along the way. And again, if you wanted to send a follow-up because we haven't heard from the client, you can do so through here as well. So this is essentially a CRM system for you as well. Marketing materials, we again would recommend you use the 02118, the market intelligence field here just to see what is going to be available to you. Computer's loading a little slow. There it is, Astound Xfinity. So I know that, hey, I'd want to pick Xfinity or Astound as far as the different promotion, or I should say, as far as the different marketing material to share. Okay, again, I can download it myself or I can share it. And just click through, you'll see all of the different providers. So whatever provider you're looking for, we should have some stuff there. Verizon will be added in soon. ADT stuff will be added in pretty soon as well. Okay. We also have contests that we hold periodically, and this is where you can track your status. You can see some of the other participants. You'll see the countdown. You'll see the prizes here on the side and kind of what the qualifying methods are, as well as again where you are in the status or the participant list. You also have the My Reports section. This is where you can find all of the details on clients, um, paid, order submitted, scheduled. You can see highlights, weekly submissions, last month installs, what is in progress, and then a nice section here. You can also use the graph. The graph is going to be pretty cool as well to track your KPIs, referral status breakdown, monthly referral trends, earnings over time. And then you can also look through months accordingly if you wanted to see what you did in January, February, and of course by year, by status. If you want to even search by name, you can do so. So just wanted to really quickly give you guys an overview of this process. In the past, we would have partners use our referral page right here, which is still active. You can still use this page if you are. I would strongly recommend, moving over to the app because again, you want to have that ability to track everything. You want to have the ability to see it all in one place, and the app gives that to you. Okay. Um, if you have any questions, of course, feel free to reach out. More than happy to continue to be a resource for the folks that have been working with us. Right now, we have about, I want to say it's 25 or 30 folks using the app. So I look forward to the growth and seeing what's to come.